Hey everybody.
Hey.
We are back, and as you can see from this big old box, we actually have a brand new subscription for this channel. A subscription I kept from her.
I don't know what it is, guys.
Even though it's on the box.
Well,
but she's not paying attention.
Right. I never looked at it.
So,
okay.
This time we have the Winter 2020 Decocrated box. For the longest time, I thought they were saying decorated, but decorated only has one.
I was literally about to say decorated. Okay, Decocrated.
Yes, and this is the home decor subscription box
yeah.
everyone is talking about. A quarterly subscription is $79.99 a box. An annual subscription is $287.99 for the year.
Oh, this is exciting. Yesterday she was like, I got a surprise for you because we just did the Raw Vices box review. And yesterday she was like, I got a surprise. I got another box. So I didn't know anything about this. I'm excited to see what's in here. I'm a big home decor-y person. So, yay! Let's see what we got. Recycle today for a better tomorrow. Absolutely. Make sure y'all recycle and all that good stuff.
I'm going to try not to hit the camera, guys. If I hit y'all, I'm sorry. Nice little envelope.
Packaged really thoroughly. Everything that's in the box is also in a box.
It's a box within a box within a box within a box.
Yeah, we're gonna need that knife. So you gonna need a knife, baby. So not a box. Okay.
Now, one thing about Decocrated is that you can do like other boxes where you can add on things that comes with your box. So as you shop and you pick your box, you can then add on more items from their shop at a discounted rate.
Okay. So we got a little, I believe this is a wall art. Oh.
Yes, this is the Boho Snowflake.
Totally bohemian, like.
Yes,
wood.
It says, just like a snowflake falling from the winter sky, this one is just as unique, composed of a multi-stained wood pieces and pieced together in a mosaic star pattern. This beauty is sure to guide your holiday decor in the right direction. And doesn't really give a price in the book, so I'm probably gonna look it up.
I could totally see this at mom and dad's house.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Where did I put that box?
Oh, it's on the side.
Okay.
I grabbed so it can be out of your way.
Okay. Let's see what else. Ooh. So when you order this stuff, can you see what you're getting, or is it a surprise?
It's a complete surprise. Oh my god. Should we just cut the box?
Yeah.
Should we just flip it?
We should just flip this out.
Sorry, it's like really stuffed in there. Like, we can't grab it. Next time I know to open this up before I get on the camera so we can get through all these boxes. Like I said, first time ever on this channel. How's it going?
It's going. Not well, but
Ooh, okay. And did not want to let go, y'all.
Oh! Alright, man. A bunch of bullshit.
No swearing.
Huh?
No swearing. Once we can get monetized, we don't want to get demonetized because you swore.
Swore? I ain't say anything.
Oh, I thought you said BS. Yes, I know I shouldn't be cutting towards myself, but I'm really bad at that. Take out the thing.
It looks like a tray. And So, I believe.
This is a Sled Shelf. No, that's wrong. I'm sorry.
Wood. And then this. I don't know what this is.
Neither do I. I'm trying to find it. That was the Boho Snowflake.
This open. This maybe it's a pillowcase. No, it's too small. But it zips open.
I feel really stupid.
Oh well, this is that. This is a pillowcase.
Okay. Loving that pillow. So yes, it is a pillowcase inspired by the evergreen forest surrounded by a charming winter village. This double-sided lombard pillow will add a touch of holiday magic to your cushions. Want to pop a color instead? Make a wish, flip it over to reveal a lovely green for your home.
And then I guess this is just like a little tray. Like you can make this your pillowcase, like on your couch for a throw, and then you can just have this little tray.
Yeah, they have it on the wall.
It goes on the wall.
They have it on the wall in the picture. So here is the picture, and that is the wall art.
Oh, and then there's the other piece up on top of it.
Yeah, but I don't want to say it's a sled shelf because a sled shelf is something else. The framed art. Okay, cascading watercolors, botanical adorned. This natural wood frame art, cultivate your own holiday art collection and create a winter mantle filled with the fresh trees, snow-tipped greenery. Not only is this a great addition for your seasonal decor, but keep it year-round for a touch of green to adorn your home. That's cute. Please be careful. Please be careful.
Okay, I got you.
If something bad happens to you, mom's gonna blame me.
Dang. 30 years later?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
My mom's the youngest in her family, so she always defends Leslie because Leslie's the youngest.
You think so?
Yep.
There's so many boxes.
Yeah, just know if you get this box, it's a lot of boxes, like box covered by box. We haven't had this many things since we got like pop sugar. Oh my gosh. Just one nonsense.
Box inside of a goddamn box.
Keep going.
Well,
You got it out. You got the most important thing out.
yeah, okay, look. So then there's a shelf. You know, this is pretty self-explanatory.
Yes, that is the sled shelf that we showed you in the other pictures that you also get. I think it's pretty cute. And I honestly think that can stay up all year round. I'm gonna kill myself. The only problem is that we have to like walk our packages down because we can't take them down the trash chute. I know, first world problems, right? So getting all the stuff downstairs is going to be a nightmare.
Yes, it is.
And since our niece is coming over this weekend, I need to get rid of these boxes. If not, she'll be in one. Playing. Oh. And this, if I am correct, is a calendar.
Okay. Well, a little date thingy.
Yeah, date thingy.
Date displayer. Whatever.
So, this is January 01, Monday. So you go through your days of the week and you flip these out and display the date.
Alrighty, and then this came inside of that little shelf. So I believe these are just things you can put up inside of the shelf. Probably.
Yeah, it's little things supposed to go inside the shelf. So yeah, that's the picture again of all the little stuff on the sled shelf.
A little Christmas tree. And then a little house. And then there's one more. A little building. So these came with the shelf.
Yep.
So that's the box, guys.
Okay,
Well, that's 1,000 boxes in one.
box, right?
I mean, I get it. They're all technically fragile.
You want to make sure you're gonna travel. So we have the calendar.
We have the shell with the little thingy things.
Decorations. Super cute. You have your double-sided pillowcase, which I put upside down. Winter Wonderland. Pop a color. You have your wall art, which I'm probably going to end up using as a tray anyway. But I don't know, it has these little hook thingies on the back. So that's probably going to stop me from using it as a tray. So I'm going to end up scratching some things up. And then you have your Bohemian Snowflake. So, Miss Leslie, this box quarterly is $79.99 with everything inside: the sled, the 2 pieces of artwork, wall artwork, the calendar, and the sled art, as we're gonna call it right now. Do you believe it is worth $80?
So quarterly is one box.
Yes.
You get one box a quarter.
Yes.
I mean, for someone it is. For someone that would, I don't know. Not for me. I'm thinking maybe it could be for someone if that's your style. But even when I'm thinking like you can go to Marshall's and kind of get this stuff for like cheaper. I think you could probably go to like, like I said, Marshall's and probably spend $50 on this stuff.
Right.
Also, it's not my style, but I think if you're have like the bohemian kind of style, then yeah, my style is more contemporary. What do you think?
I'm with her. This box is different from other quarterly boxes because you don't get to pick anything.
They should like let you pick traditional, contemporary, bohemian. Like they should have different styles that you can pick from.
Right.
That would probably help.
Yeah, and it seems like most of this stuff is wall art. I would have liked to have a piece of wall art, maybe a table runner, a floor mat, not just stuff to stick on the wall. And as we've been talking, I've been kind of clicking through their website, and it seems like the last time they gave their fans some wall art and then a couple of things to sit on top of the desk. So it's kind of like, are you just giving people wall art?
Right, because what would have been cool would have been like you said, like a little area rug, like a little throw pillow, maybe like a little fur one or whatever. Maybe some candles, maybe a little cheese cutter reboard situation. I don't know.
Yeah.
Just
it doesn't have to all be wall art. It can just be something as simple as a sugar jar
Or a vase. Yeah.
or a cupcake stand that you can like piece together.
True.
But yeah, you got.
But this ain't it, baby.
Nah, not for $80.
Yeah.
Like I'm sure that yes, having wood, having something tough, and having some heart is expensive, but that's only if it's your taste. This
Right.
bohemian is really not my thing. I'm more a modern, and then sometimes I'm traditional depending on what I'm buying. So if they would have said, hey, like she said, pick your style choice, and they would have pictures of like this is the type of stuff you're gonna get, then I would have said, hey, give me something a little bit more modern. And then everything would have been like more iron and browns and
Grays
blacks and
and
gray
whites.
yeah, and whites and have mirrors on it and just obtuse shapes and things of that nature. If you're traditional, you kind of stick towards beiges,
Browns.
yeah, but not even bohemian.
Right.
It would be more plush. I know my mom is more traditional and everything is always like plush.
Yeah.
And so,
But they're getting more contemporary though. The older they get, surprisingly, the more they're into like the modern look, which is so cute.
yeah, it's cute to watch. It's cute to watch them change. It's cute to
Yeah.
watch your parents kind of grow up and become their own people.
So, well, I mean, let us know what y'all think because for us it's a dud.
Yeah. Do you want to go to another box, or you just want to be done with this one, like we did with Pop Sugar?
I think we should pop sugar this jump.
All right. So this is the first and the last time you see this on the channel, and she better pick a new box.
I'll pick a box.
She never picks a box. I pick all the boxes.
I'm gonna pick one, guys. I will pick the next box.
We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully she'll pick the next box before Fat Fun comes in,
Probably not.
and
I'll pick the
before-
one after.
and before the Brio box comes in. Oh my gosh.
I'll pick a box though. I will pick.
Why is it always on me?
No,
Why is it
I'm
always
gonna pick a
on
box.
me? This being the oldest thing sucks.
Be like that. Well, in life, there's black and white.
There you go.
But with us, you always get a shade of gray.
Bye, guys. She got it right.